Hello everyone, my name is Justin Haney and this is my EDL 853 Module 1 Intro and Inclusive Culture. A little bit about me. I grew up in Hoisington, Kansas, played football at Sterling College. My first teaching assignment was in Dodge City. I taught middle school PE there for 2 years. This is my 8th year teaching middle school PE in Hayes. I have 6 years of driver's ed experience. I do a lot of coaching. I'm the head football, boys and girls wrestling, and track coach here at Hayes Middle School. My hobbies include sports, outdoors, exercise, Uber and door dashing, and then the golden doodle there in my school picture, he keeps me plenty busy. My school and community, Hayes Middle School has an attendance just under 700, grades 6 through 8. Average class size is about 25. Low socioeconomic of 39%. Hayes community has a population of just over 20,000. Our top 3 employers are Hayes Med, Fort Hays State, and USD 489. Hayes is a very white-collar, well-educated community. Our parents are very involved in all their students' activities. Keys to creating an inclusive school culture. We're going to cover staff buy-in, community, family, leading by example as an administrator and setting the tone, and then getting student engagement. First off, staff buy-in. It's important for an administrator to kind of set staff buy-in and get things rolling. To help with this, you need to provide resources on diversity, inclusive culture, bullying, LGBTQ inclusion, and special needs integration inside classrooms. Build a team and put together a leadership team whose one goal is to grow inclusion and culture within a school. Training. Use your team to develop staff trainings to promote an inclusive culture. These trainings should hit on curriculum, inequality, respect, and a safe learning environment. Ownership. Put teachers in a position to adapt their classrooms to include all. Make inclusive culture a must. Provide help with collaboration and support where needed. By giving teachers that ownership of creating their inclusive classrooms how they want, is really going to allow them to have that buy-in and really take on their own role as we go forward. Family and community. Get everyone involved. Have an open door policy. Use multiple languages. Show off student accomplishments. Staff communicates directly with the caregivers. This is one that I feel is very important. If staff's having issues with kids or just even bragging on kids, have staff directly email their parents. Encourage diverse organizations. Send out school happenings or reminders of each week things that are going on. Use social media to promote all the good. Social media sometimes gets a very bad rep when it comes to schools and things, but it can also be a great tool to use. Parents, guardians, siblings, organization, and publicity can go a long ways in just creating family and community that is inclusive, brings everybody into a school, and just makes them feel warmed and welcome. Lead by example and set a tone for inclusive environment. Actions. Your actions. Talk about inclusion openly. Display it with your everyday actions by showing empathy. Make it a priority. Train staff. Require it. Give ownership in their inclusive culture. Promote teamwork. Everyone's job should be to create an inclusive culture. Communicate it to the students by signs and daily announcements. Provide support. Teach inclusive learning. Overcome language barriers, incorporate integrated IEPs. As the leader of the school, your job is to build relationships with everybody. That includes staff, that includes students, and letting them know that inclusive culture is a priority for you will go a long ways in just creating that throughout your entire building. If you make it a priority, your staff and students will make it a priority. Student engagement. Students feel safe from discrimination, prejudice, and bullying. They feel respected, Students feel respected for who they are and what their culture is. Students take ownership in their school, welcome others, and stand up for what's right. Students feel valued by their teachers and peers. Students want to come to school. That's a big thing I hear a lot from kids at our school, is that they like being at school. It's a safe place. It's a place that they know they're going to come, they get help, teachers care about them. That's how school should be. If all those things happen, success will take place. These are my references. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and I hope to get good feedback and just get along with everybody and get to know everybody as we go forward in these classes. Thank you.